Associated Food Stores, we are a cooperative for food and GM items for independent grocers in the Intermountain West. We provide a buying experience that they can try and compete with larger chains throughout the United States. The reason we looked to find someone else to work with and ended up with Edict Systems was because of a need to find better ways of doing things so that us as developers could use our time in other areas also instead of just in the EDI realm.
Associated Food Stores originally started talking to us about outsourcing their EDI mapping and translation. They were doing it internally for a number of years, and they had a system that was being sunset and some personnel that were nearing retirement age, and they were looking for potentially outsourcing that to a third party so that their resources internally can focus on items that were more strategic to their business.
Working with Edict Systems at the beginning was quite an easy process. Great to work with, good people that we were able to spend a lot of time with in the beginning, and they did a great job of looking at the different transactions that we have to take care of, helping us figure out what our files would need to be or what they could do for us as we transmitted data back and forth.
The biggest concern Associated Food Stores had about outsourcing their EDI translation was giving up control of the data. As we got to know each other better as a company and as individuals, it became a much easier process for them.
We've taken on a warehouse of pharmacy products, and we're now taking orders from pharmacies that are within our area. I, as an EDI coordinator, had never dealt with that before, and they have dealt with that type of stuff before. So we're using them as a resource as we've jumped into that arena and started to head down that path.
Our expertise in doing EDI in other industries has really helped us to work with them, lay out a project plan, and implement the project to a lot of pharmacies.
They're a great company that has helped us accomplish our goals in EDI. I don't have to do everything on my end. I can just deal with the data as it goes out and comes in. Their adaptability as we dealt with many of the challenges of the files the way we needed them sent or retrieved, and that was wonderful. Also, how quick they were to respond in many ways.
They're really a great customer to work with because of the relationship that we have with each other, the trust that we have with each other. They rely on our expertise, and we're here to ensure that all of their data as it relates to purchasing and invoicing flows seamlessly.
I've gotten to know the people at Edict very well. There's a wonderful personal touch to them, and you don't always see that in a company or as you work with people. And I feel comfortable with them, and I appreciate how they've helped me be successful in my job at work as we try and accomplish things, but also that there's a personal touch to it that goes beyond anyone else I've ever worked with.